going to react to another one of my puzzle photos. When I went out and sought this, I didn't have any particular idea of using this for a puzzle. That hasn't happened yet. In the last photo, we looked at a photo shot on a 50mm lens. This was shot on a super telephoto lens. This was shot at the 35mm equivalent for frame of 750mm. I don't have one of those big, giant, super telephoto lenses like I have on screen now, but I had this, my little Panasonic ZS70. That would be, I'm about a soccer field / football field away from these swings. Let's put up some guides so we can do some more analysis, shall we? Let's put up our little rule of third guides. I didn't really use the rule of thirds this time at all, but they're there. But I have them up for other reason. If you look here, see how this line? You have this line here separating it in half. Then you have the grass here separating it in half. Then a half again by these piers. These lines here maneuver you around the image. There's one thing I don't like about this. I wish I would have got a little bit more of the path leading in here, but I didn't like that way that looked, so I went with this. Super telephoto lenses compress. The walkway looks much closer to the swings, and the background looks really close to the swings as well. But that walkway you see is quite a few paces in that direction. I would say maybe 20 or so paces. Maybe more, maybe 30. The other thing I like is the way the swing frames intersect each other and overlap each other. Again, if there were other elements leading your eye around the image. Let's get rid of the guides. Let's quickly look at what this looked like before I did any editing to it. As you can see, I didn't really do a lot to this image. But let's look at what I actually did do. Just pulled the contrast up a bit. Drop the highlights down so we can have a little bit more detail. And the walkway over there, and the same thing with the white slider. And I just kind of pulled up the texture and clarity slider a bit to give a little bit more detail in the grass. That's pretty much it for this photo. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe and turn the bell notification on. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can support me on Redbubble, Society6, and Adobe Stock.